VS Code. Do you see that you have VS Code download? Then you press enter. So you see that we have download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, or what, Windows, and it is offered by Microsoft. So for that matter, ensure that you are seeing the Microsoft here. Do you see the Microsoft? Then download VS Code. So and for that matter, that is what we are looking for. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you wait. It will send you to the website for you to download. So you see, we have download Visual Studio Code. So now, depending on the model that you are using, me, I'm using Windows, and for that matter, I'll go for this one. Assuming if you're also using Windows, that is what we go for. If you're using Mac, then you go for this one. Do you see that? All right. So Windows, you click on it, and then you wait. You wait patiently. You see, it says that thanks for downloading Visual Studio Code. And when you look at this place, you see that it has started downloading. So you wait patiently for it to finish downloading, then you continue from there. All right, so it is downloading and it is moving fast. So very soon it will finish downloading, then we run it and everything will be okay on the system. Okay, so VS Code is very good because it gives a powerful features, right? All right, so there is VS Code, the installation wizard, right? So when I click on it like this, you see it says what, run, right? So when you click on it, it will run, and when it run, that is it. It will start on your system for you to be able to use. But I have already having what, VS Code installed on my system, right? So let me say I want to click on it and see, so that we see what happens. So when you click, you wait patiently because it takes some time to run, right? So when you wait patiently, everything runs for you. You see that setup has detected that VS Code is currently running. Yes, it has detected that I'm already having VS Code on my system, right? There is my VS Code that is already running on my system. And it is saying that VS Code is already running on my system. You see here, we have VS Code here. As if I cancel this, then I come to this place. You see that I have my VS Code here that is already running on my projects. I use it for my project here, and that is how VS Code looks like. Once you finish installing it, it will also looks like this. You can use it for a lot of projects, and everything will work well for you. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.